How to fix a low emotional state. Low emotional states such as bored, feeling low, feeling down, exhausted, tired, or overwhelmed. It can also be nervous, uneasy, angry, agitated, or just unappreciative. Most people believe that when we achieve certain goal, we will feel good, but that is not true. Feeling good is a requirement for achieving any goal. When you feel good, you attract more good things around you. When you feel low, you will attract more low feelings and eventually attract fewer good things around you. Feeling low means you will attract things into your life that corresponds to the lowness. And feeling high, eager, appreciative, or calm means you will attract things into your life that corresponds to that. So how to overcome feeling low and how to feel good? How can we feel good so that we attract more good things and good feelings around us? One of many uncomplicated ways to get out of your low state is to practice gentle but massive attention exercise. You do it in nice, beautiful, good, and intended written form. It's very powerful. You start doing it, and after some time, you will feel relaxed, feel better, and like you're free from any burden. Take your time doing it. You should do it for a few minutes, once or twice a day. And I highly recommend you to do it every single day. So what do you need to write? You can get a diary and dedicate to the exercise only. Like I have a few diaries in here, right? So I got diaries for each exercise and yeah, that's the purpose. That's the purpose. So get a really good diary. You can get one diary for doing all the exercise that you're going to learn in this video. So start with the first exercise called appreciation list. Make a really long list of things you like and appreciate. Things that you have right now, you can do, and more importantly, things you don't have right now but would like to have in the future. For the things that you don't have but would like to have in the future, you can already assume that you already have. But do not get too much attached to it. Don't have a strong expectation with desperation. Desperation is a negative emotion. A desperate statement such as, oh, I want this anyhow. I have to work hard for it. If I get what I like, then only I can be happy. When you're desperate, you detach yourself from the present moment and lose the joy in the present time. But the joy cannot be felt in the future because what you have right now is the present moment. You may wish to start with limiting or negative beliefs or whatever makes you upset. But don't get fixated on it. When you're too fixated on the negative thoughts or emotions, you amplify the negative emotions and you feel lower. Acknowledging the negative beliefs is not bad. Do not resist. So start by writing what makes you feel low and don't spend much time on it. Once it's done, you can now make a really long and massive run for appreciation. Make a long list of appreciation. For the first few lines, you can turn your negative thoughts and beliefs into positive emotional thoughts by writing what you would appreciate happening instead. Remember the word appreciation, not expectations like wants, haves, shoulds, or must. Don't write something that starts with I want, I need, or I should. So start writing a massive, long list of things, people, situations, places, environments, and experiences you really appreciate. Write something that starts with I appreciate kind and helpful people. I like a beautiful watch on my wrist. So finish the long list of things that you like until you feel the flow of positive emotion in your body and mind. Next, make a list of positive sides. Here you pick up anything, people, situation, circumstances, or environment that is already in your life and you are not happy about it. Write down the positive sides of each. For example, if you feel tired of learning new things, write down 3 to 5 positive sides of learning it. If you are having an issue in a relationship with someone, write down 3 to 5 positive sides of that person. If you are in any negative circumstances, write down 3 to 5 positive aspects of that circumstances or situations. You may want to write more about each issue. Keep writing until you feel relieved from negative emotion. Do this until you feel really inspired and refreshed. Next is making the list of gratitude. So making a gratitude list. In this variation, you write down what you're grateful for. Well, there are many videos on the internet that tell you the benefits of writing about things you are really thankful for. And it's actually true. If you don't appreciate what you already have, you can never appreciate things you want even after getting them. So I'm not going to talk more about writing down the list of gratitude. So make a long list of things you're really thankful for. Make a long list. Next is the honesty list. You write down what is happening in your life right now and you are not happy with it. Be brutally honest with yourself. Write down with utmost honesty and write what you would prefer to happen or what would you like to happen instead. It will put you in a new and positive emotional state because you will be in a better and more resourceful state. You will be unstuck from a negative emotional state and find a better alternative. So in this video, we discussed the exercise to write appreciation list, positive sides, gratitude list, and honesty list. You can write all that we discussed in this video or just start with 1 or 2 exercises. People avoid doing it because they have to write. But it's one of the most powerful exercises that my coaching students and I do. And I highly recommend it. Share your feedback with me. If you benefit from this video, please recommend it to someone who can benefit from it. Share it far and wide. This is Mayur Bardolia, a success coach from North Star Angel Coaching and Spiritual Solutions. If you wish to book a coaching session and workshop or invite me as a speaker, reach out to me at contact@northstarangel.com. Have a nice day.